What one thing you will do in your life right now that will make an impact in your personal life? What one thing you will do that will change the course of your life? Sit down, relax. Don't be in a hurry. Simply think and what you can do in your life right now that can change what is happening right now in your life. For some people, it will be a learning a new course, and for some of you, it might be living a happy relationship starting from now. Maybe some of you think that I should spend more time with my children, or I should more spend time with my parents. You have to think of one thing that you have to do right now that will impact your life. Do one thing, one single thing from today onwards that will make a change in your life, that will change the course of your life. Now it depends on person to person. What do you think about yourself? In what stage are you? If you are in intermediate stage, you don't know what to do, simply take one single step towards your dream and think, yeah, this is the thing I need to do right now. Maybe your dream is to become an actor, a singer, artist. I don't know. There are millions of dreams right now. People are dreaming. But how many of you are willing to pay for it? If you have dreams, then you must do something to achieve them. It will not automatically completely be true. You have to do something for it. So starting from now, do something small that will make an impact right now. If you don't have right now, no problem. Take out time today and think what you can do. But think about the one thing that will change the course of your life. I am saying again and again, think, because it will impact your life. You will start working on those dreams, those personal development things. I know people don't spend a lot of money on these things, and that is why they are living a mediocre life. If you want to become an extraordinary, then you have to do something extra because you are now ordinary. So get up, do the things. Take a pen and paper. Start writing what do you want in your life and what is the one thing that you want to change, or what is the one thing that will you do today, it will make an impact on your life. Start now.